The overall goal of this training setup using virtual reality is to increase performance gains on a simple motor skill in a limb in the absence of its voluntary physical movement.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of motor skill learning, such as the role of sensory perception in skill acquisition. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows full control of visual and proprioceptive input during training. The implications of this technique may extend toward therapy of upper limb hemiparesis, because control of the healthy hand is used to train the affected hand. Demonstrating the procedure will be Shiri, a research assistant from my laboratory.
Begin by escorting the subject to the testing chair and have them sit down with their hands forward and palms facing down. Place the virtual reality or VR headset with the head-mounted 3D camera on the subject to provide online visual feedback of the real environment. Ensure the video from the camera is presented in the VR headset. Next, place motion-sensing MR-compatible gloves onto the subject's hands, which allow online monitoring of individual finger flexure in each hand. Ensure that the subject only sees the virtual hands when looking down to the location of where their real hands would be. Then, place the subject's hands in a specialized motion control device and strap the right and left fingers individually to the pistons. Make sure the subjects can move their right hand fingers separately. Finally, verify that voluntary movement of the left hand fingers is restricted by asking the subjects to move their left hand while it is located inside the device.